Hey everybody in YouTube land, we're out here at Gears and Grind at the Life's a Grind. You can't see it because the trees are starting to grow up. But yeah, we're out here, the Rayleigh's parking lot in Galt, California. We're having our annual truck and treat. You can see we have quite a few cars out here. Some are decorated, have candy, and a bunch of kids are out collecting candy. So if you guys can make it, come on out. We are here till about 11 o'clock in the morning latest. So we open up around 8 in the morning till about 11. So get gone down here, you guys. We got these beautiful cars out here. A bunch of kids coming getting candy. Come and visit us. Real nice cars out here. A lot of people come and visit. Got some decorations. You guys got to come out here and take a look at this. You guys are missing out if you're not here right now. Hi. Oh, you got candy. Look at that. This is my son right here. Yeah. Oh, you got...
Can we get more candy?
All right, go get more candy, you guys. Go get more candy. And we have a... Go with them. Go with them. Thank you. There's Tom and his Firebird. Beautiful LS swap. We got Haggerty out here. Oh, Rolls Royce. That's the first for the... Got a shifter car.
Good morning.
Morning, how's it going?
Good, how are you?
Not bad, not bad. Got the Volkswagen guys out here. Always out here with the crowd. A lot of kids out here in costumes, getting their candy on. Morning, Wes.
Morning.
Alright, let's go back a little bit. There you go. Make it a little bit easier for you guys to see. Real nice cars out here. A little hard to go this way. Let's just go one at a time, one side at a time. That'll make it a lot easier for you guys to see. How's that? Say what I was doing. We got Mater out here. We have quite a few cars out here, you guys. You got to come out and take a look. Bring some candy, bring your cars. Let's enjoy. Move over for this car to come by again. Hi, look at this costume. That's pretty cool. Toyota out here. Pretty cool going camping. Still cold. Still early in the morning. Old style, 90s style. We'll have some of those in a while. Alright, you guys. I hope you enjoyed that. That was a quick little video.